Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Made Easy. Today we are going to discuss the problem permutations. Given an array of nums of distinct integers, return all possible permutation. So let's go to the problem. Suppose if the given array is 1, 2, 3. So we'll use a depth first search solution. So to begin with, we have empty array, which is the permutation where we'll store the permutation, and the one in yellow uh, is the remaining values which are available to use for the permutation. So both will be the parameters. So if we decide to use up one, so one would go to the answer array and the remaining one would be removed from the available ones. So available becomes 2, 3. So we go from 1, 2, 3 to 2, 3 for the available. And then we have two options in the remaining. So 2 or 3. So we'll explore both. If we use 2, then we use up 2 from the available. So it becomes 3 and we add 2 to the answer. So 1, 2 and becomes 3. And then the only option is 3, so we use up 3 and the answer becomes 1, 2, 3, and then the available becomes empty. So as soon as available becomes empty, then we don't have anything else to do to get the permutation. So 1, 2, 3 is one of the permutation. So then the other depth first search, like the other path here is instead of 2, you choose 3. So basically the available was 2, 3, and you used up 3, and we have 2 now, and there is only one option to use up 2, and 1, 2, 1, 3, 2 is another permutation. So that is the solution. So let's go to the code. So let's create a global variable called result, which will hold the final answer. And let's create a wrapper function so that we can track the current answer list also. So this nums would be the remaining one array, and this would be the current permutation array. So let's set the result to empty list. Then we can pass this. So base case is basically there is nothing remaining in the remaining array. So length of nums current list is the current array. So at this point, so we'll add 1, 2, 3 to the array, to the result. Now we will, so this is basically iterating all possible options in the nums. So suppose if you have nums as 1, 2, 3, which is the remaining as 1, 2, 3, then you iterate all the options. And then, so we'll get the nums of I, we'll get an element in the remaining, and then we'll pop. So basically here we are gonna say when we go here, we are gonna pop 1. So this becomes 2, 3. 2, 3, and then we are gonna add it to the current list and pass it to the next level. So we are popping and we are calling so we are removing the nums of I, and then we are adding that to the current list and then calling the permute. And then once we are done, we need to add it back. So why should we add it back? For example, if we see we have used up, we have moved 2 to in this path, we have taken 2 and added to this list. But when we are Going back and coming here, 2 remains in this list. 3 was added. So when we go back, we'll give back 2 to the available pool. Hence, we need to add that back, and that should be it. All cases are passing. Submission accepted. That is it. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.